Lake Garda, Italy. Nestled in the shadow of the Italian Alps, Lake Garda is Italy's largest lake and one of Europe's most stunning freshwater bodies. The lake's clear blue waters, framed by towering mountains and charming villages, create a picturesque landscape that has been a favorite retreat for both locals and tourists alike. With its mild Mediterranean climate, Lake Garda offers a perfect destination for a peaceful escape or an adventure-filled holiday. The northern part of the lake is surrounded by dramatic cliffs, making it popular for windsurfing and sailing, while the southern shores are more relaxed, featuring lush gardens and olive groves. The charming town of Serene, located on a narrow peninsula jutting into the lake, is famous for its medieval castle and ancient Roman ruins. It's the perfect spot to explore history while taking in the lake's breathtaking views. Lake Garda is also a paradise for food lovers. The surrounding region is known for its delicious cuisine, including fresh lake fish, olive oil, and locally produced wine. Visitors can enjoy gourmet meals at lakeside restaurants or sip on a glass of wine while watching the sunset over the Alps. In addition to its natural beauty, Lake Garda offers a variety of outdoor activities. Whether you're hiking through the scenic mountain trails, cycling along the lake's shores, or swimming in its crystal-clear waters, there's something for every type of traveler. With its perfect combination of culture, history, and natural beauty, Lake Garda is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Italy.